Okay. It might be the time to shave my head. Okay, I'm gonna change into a different shirt and. Okay, I have everything set up here. I'm wearing this. Oh man. Okay, yeah, this is like this weird, I don't know. It doesn't go all the way in the back. You can't really see, sorry. It's from this Amazon hair set or whatever that I had gotten, and I don't know if it's the best quality, but I'm using my friend Kane's hair clipper. She let me borrow it, and yeah, it's a way better quality than the one I have, but I'm wearing this thing to, I guess it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna wear it to hopefully deter the hair situation.
You still watching? If you are, you are amazing. If you want to see most of the hair shaving part at the top of my head, go to 650. Watch this 2 times and enjoy the elevator music and the Britney Spears spirit throwing through me and into you. Throwing. Flowing. Yes. Bye.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, so I don't think I need the 8. Oh, okay, maybe I'm gonna work myself up. We're gonna use the 8 here.
Now, Oleta News with Oleta.
It seems that she is working herself the way up. Yes, I am also very nervous for her there. Oh my gosh. All right. She's going for the first pass there. Yes, oh my gosh. I'm so scared to do this part. I'm scared for you. Oh man. My mullet thing in the back. Yeah, like, I don't know, rock that mullet if you want to. Yes. Oh, it's crazy. She should just like go right for it, really. She's chickening out, you know? Anyway, thoughts. 2020? Are people just really just shaving their head? Is everyone shaving their head? Maybe. You know, just jump on the bandwagon of shaving your head. Why not? Pretty much. I have also got it done here underneath there. Stay tuned. We'll come back with another update later on. Oh my god, I still have this part. Okay. Okay, this part. Are we gonna do something funny like a faux hog first? In all seriousness, I literally cannot say that word for the life of me, ever. If you're still watching in this bits, you're super cool. You're a cool human. And yeah, like, little facts of kind of why I've been doing this, or just random rambles, is I've been wanting to do this for quite a long time. I don't know how many years, but I feel like 2020 has definitely exasperated, I don't know if that's the right word for it, but increased my want to do this. And yeah, like, honestly, it's great. You have to stay tuned and see. Minus the fact that I'm wearing a hoodie right now, it's just like the look that I'm going for today. I mean, if you want to try like a different hairstyle, you could always buy a wig and whatnot and check it out to see if you even like it before you actually drastically cut, shave, or color your hair. There's options nowadays, so I would say try it if you want to. And yeah, stay tuned for the big finale where I cut off the top part there. You can jump to like around 6:48, 6:50 to see it happen. popping back on. It is about to happen. The top. Do it. Yes. It's just done at this point. I feel like once you've done the top part, it's just, you're just going for it. Yeah, you're just going for it.
And fix your hair. You like a damn.
Oh my god, I freaking love that character in Monster-in-Law. I don't even know what her name is. Rita? I could be wrong. I don't know if I should go shorter. And you should actually go work soon. So I don't want to do like too quick of a job, so I might just like cut around here. This music. I could just fall asleep. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so it has been a few days since I have cut my hair and I freaking love it so much. I am so glad I did it. If you're on the fence about doing it, just do it, as Shia LaBeouf says.
Just do it!
If you do end up doing it, tag me in Instagram. My Instagram is mindfuloleta. I'll put a little thing there. And thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, like it if you liked it, and if you want to join the journey, just subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. I was so scared to do this part. Oh my god. My mullet thing in the back.